Okay, so this is my equalizer project, and this is what I have. First off, we can start kind of 9-volt battery supply coming in, powering everything. The reason I don't use the Spark programmer is because I already have the code uploaded to my ATtiny84. I'll start at this side. Over here we have our switch to flip back from the microphone and the audio input. Capacitor coming in to the microphone. We have our MSG chip hooked up to power and ground and connected to the switch, and also the input is connected into the MSG. If we come over here, we then have the strobe, the output, and the reset all connected into the ATtiny. We follow down the line. We'll start off on this side. We have 8x8 LED matrix displaying, right now it's displaying my voice because I have it on the microphone. So if I talk in like different tones, I can get it to move up and down. Over here, this is just pretty simple, straightforward. We have our shift registers, our output, and our master reset. Those are all ground and positive. On this shift register, this is the column that comes to here. This is the row that comes to here. These are all the pins. I just have it flattened down because when I put in my case, it's easier. Here we have latch and clock coming all over here to the ATtiny. Same with here, we have latch and clock. Both latches go to the same pin. Both clocks go to the same pin. We have data from this one coming to this one in the back, and then it comes out black wire right here. It goes right to there, and that's about it. Before I put it in my case, I just wanted to show you that my audio input works. Right now it's on the mic, and if I switch it over, it'll go down low, and then I'll plug it in my laptop just to show you that I have something playing. You can hear it's playing. I'll plug that in. Just gotta give it a minute. You can see it's being played over onto there now, and it's still playing on this, and now it's being transferred. And that's my audio input, and then I can change it over back to microphone. This is me talking, back over to audio input. Worked perfect. And last, for the creative part, here's a case I just made quickly out of Lego. I put a hole so you can see the equalizer right there. The mic is down there along with the input. It is currently on mic, and if you look in here, there's the switch right there. Toggle back and forth. Just put some Lego characters on top, make it a little creative. If you come around the back side, I made a little house for my battery holder just to keep it so no one can see it. This is the back side. Board sits in there. It's held in by this row flag over here, and that's about it. And then the switch is here to turn the equalizer on and off, and that's my creative side of it. Okay, so this is my code for my equalizer. It's pretty straightforward. Up here I'm just declaring pins. Latch is pin 1 on the ATtiny84, clocks 2, data's 3, analog is A0. And then I have the strobe pin that comes from the MSG chip, that was along with the reset pin. Those three both come from the MSG. Here I have my spectrum value. It takes the analog to digital values. Here is my values, 1023 divided by 7, and that's how I get these values. In the setup, pin mode is just output for clock, latch, output, data, output to display on my matrix. Analog is input because it's taking the values from my microphone. Strobe is output, reset pin is output. This is just analog reference. And then this is loop to make everything happen. So we take the reset pin and we put it high and then put it low. This refreshes the cycle. Then we have a loop here. The strobe pin is low. You delay it for 30 microseconds. And then the spectrum value, it reads it. It bit shifts it right 7 positions, and that will line it up because these are the only 7 numbers I can have. So this lines it up in the right column to display it on my matrix, and I only have 7 things on my matrix, so that works. Then this is just put latch low, load everything in. Once it's ready, send it out with latch high, strobe pin high, and then just delay it for 1 second just so it has a little bit of time, and it just keeps doing this over and over for all the new values it gets. And that's pretty much it.